In this video, you'll learn the easiest way to copy and share a Threads profile link. Whether you're connecting with friends or promoting your business, knowing how to share your account link is essential. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, you will see the Share Profile button. So go ahead and tap on it. And now you will see an option called Copy. Simply tap on it to copy your Threads profile link to the clipboard. And now you can share this profile link on any social media platform or with anyone you want, and once they tap on that link, it will take them straight to your Threads profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.